the life be difficult. That life don't put you down. We no fit cope.
Cameroon has one of Africa's 10 highest costs of living. Food prices are soaring due to poor harvest, security challenges, and limited domestic production. 5 years ago, Stella Ancho moved to the capital Yaoundé to escape an armed conflict in the country's northwest.
No nothing, no day for inside free. So we come Yaoundé, think the rice be there, you get 450. Now a kilo rice don't go 600, 750. With the suffer.
High fuel costs are also hitting people hard.
Before, we were having, you can go out and come back with 5,000 pounds, 7,000 pounds. Nowadays, the money that you used to come and feed the family with, you say come and feed the cow with.
The government has been subsidizing fuel prices for some years now at a huge cost to the country. It has been phasing this down since last year, in line with pressure from the International Monetary Fund. The latest cuts came a few weeks ago.
If the government continuously accepts the pressure from the IMF without looking at the impact of such pressure on the citizen itself, the government should be prepared to see retaliation from the citizens at different stages. Either social unrest, or many citizens will decide that Cameroon is not affordable for them and they will have to emigrate or get out of the country.
The government says it has introduced accompanying measures such as a 5% pay raise for civil servants and an increase of the minimum wage. But the impact of those is yet to be felt.